Hi everybody, this is Danny for Cupcakes Gourmet and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you very fast how to paint the strawberry shortcake face. I show you how to make it with that weird Chinese clay. So now we're gonna paint it. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so you get all the notifications for new videos. All my social media is up there, and if you're looking for a video or for any other tutorial, please go to my videos list and you can find them in English and in Portuguese. We're gonna start with the face. I made this face in my other tutorial. I will put up here for you guys, and I'm gonna make another strawberry shortcake with cold porcelain, because this is that lightweight clay from China, and I wasn't really 100% comfortable and loving it, the result, because I'm not used to work with this clay. So I'm gonna make it again, but the painting is the same, the steps are completely the same. So for who was asking how to paint, here it is. We're just gonna start writing, like drawing where the eyes are going to be, so you don't start painting in the wrong position. So always look at the picture of what you're making. And now I'm using the acrylic white, and we're gonna start the base of the eyes. So you're gonna cover the whole thing until it's wide enough for you. Even if it takes one or more or two layers, just let it then dry before you start the new one, so you don't like it's not dragging paint around. Instead, letting it dry and put another on top of it. And I'm gonna still doing until I'm completely 100% happy with my white. And I'm also gonna put a little bit of the white for just the impression of her teeth right there on the top part of her mouth. So now with the green, it is also acrylic paint. I'm just gonna start making the circle of the green part of her eyes. So I'm gonna go around on one side and go around to the other side. Is that okay if your green is lighter in the center? It's actually prettier when the color eyes are not flat, not just perfect, because you know everybody has different colors of eyes, and gives a little bit more effect and looks even prettier. I'm just showing my hands dirty. It's not to show dirty, it's to show how I work with the brush before I start painting it. Actually, I have a piece of glass that you guys are going to see soon in the video instead of my hands, but I use my hands too, so I would just want to show. So now you guys can see that it's in the glass, and I'm going to work back and forth with the angular brush. So that's going to make the brush has more color of the paint on the top, like at the end, and less, so it gives you like a light green and a dark green and a more dark green. It goes, it makes a little shadow and looks pretty. So if you guys want to see me doing that, all those paint brushes and all this information about painting in one video, I can show you guys too. And now I'm gonna use a liner, not a very thin one, but it could even be thinner than the one I'm using, to make the lines under her eyes and around it as well, with a little bit of brown first, and then we're gonna make the eyelashes with black. I like to mark with brown instead black around the eyes, because I think the black is really dark and make it like little dolls, like strawberry shortcake, look like she has eyeliner on, and I prefer brown instead. So that's what we're gonna do all the way around. And now with the black, you work a little bit your liner, and we're gonna make the top part pulling the eyelashes up and over, and make the eyelashes. And now we're gonna make the center of the eyes in black. The same thing the other side. Always let one layer dry before you do another one, especially with the green, black, and white part of the center of the eyes. And now we're gonna make the little bow again. I'm using acrylic paint, but if you're using anything edible, you can use the airbrush paint too, because it's liquid, so you can paint exactly the same. And now I am just going to make with brown the eyebrows. Just like that. And now we're gonna make that little tiny circle in white for the light refraction. And I'm gonna make two the same side and two tiny ones on the bottom. And she is done. Now she's missing, of course, a little pink in the face and a little lipstick, but the eyes are done. And I hope you guys like it, and I hope that will help you guys to finish the strawberry shortcake you started at the other video. Before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button, because that really helps me, the thumbs up. And the Show More has all the information about materials and things, and leave me a comment so I can dedicate a video for you. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.